We're diving into how to list airbags on eBay. The first thing you need to know is that you must be an ARA member to list airbags. So, if you're not already a member, head over to ara.org to get started. Once you're a member, check out the certification section to start the process of becoming CAR certified. There's a wealth of information on how to prepare for CAR certification. Make sure you go through all the details. You can always reach out to ARA for help if needed. Once you're CAR certified, ARA will assist you with the eBay approval process. The approval process isn't lengthy, and soon you'll be good to go. After that, you'll be able to list your airbags through eLink. Remember, there are specific requirements you need to meet within the listings. Let's explore an airbag listing. eBay has a policy page that you can reference for all the necessary details. Scroll down to find all the information you'll need. An essential component of your listing is the certification. I certify this airbag is not subject to recall and will be shipped in accordance with hazmat shipping requirements. This must be included word for word in the description section of your eBay listing, accessible via eLink under item details. eBay has specific category requirements for airbags. eBay Category 1 should be set to airbags. eBay Category 2 should be airbag parts. The donor VIN is also required within the donor VIN item-specific field. If you're using eLink, the donor VIN will automatically populate as long as it's available in your YMS or yard management system. Now, click on Save and List to list the selected airbags. This process can also be done in bulk. Let's select 2 airbags and proceed with a bulk change. Go to Item Details, change the description, and make sure to handle category placement. eLink automates category placement, but adjustments can be made manually if necessary. For Category 1, set to car and truck parts, interior parts and accessories, interior safety, airbags. For Category 2, make sure it's set to car and truck parts, interior parts and accessories, interior safety, airbag parts. After making these changes, hit Update and proceed with listing the items. You can also automate these settings upon inventory by configuring disclaimers and categories through part type preferences. By doing this, once the airbag is inventoried, these settings will automatically apply, saving you from having to adjust them manually each time you list airbags. For this, adjust the description settings and verify categories. Ensure eBay Category 1 ends with airbags, and Category 2 is airbag parts. Next, if you choose not to auto-list, skip Step 3. If auto-listing is your preference, you can set it up accordingly. Confirm your settings, click Apply, and save. We've got another video on our channel that covers part type preferences and auto-listing if you are unsure about these features. If you have any questions, reach out to us at ebay@hollanderparts.com.